there, meet me again with Etso. This time I will share how to wear a face mask to prevent dust, virus disease transmission caused by bacteria, coronavirus, and other viruses. Surgical mask, cloth mask. Make sure your hands are clean. If necessary, use hand sanitizer. Wear a surgical mask. Make sure the hard part or wire is on the top. Then clip it to the nose. Combined by wearing a cloth mask. A good cloth mask consists of 3 layers. The inner layer of the mask is cotton. The middle layer is polypropylene, and the outer layer is polyester. Or tie the surgical mask strap then press the outside of the mask inward. This is what it looks like rectangle. Now, you put on the surgical mask. Then follow by wearing the cloth mask. If you are a motorcyclist, it is better to combine it with a long cloth mask up to the neck, so you are protected from the wind. Or you can do this. If you don't have a cloth mask and only a scuba mask, you can outsmart it. A study states other types of masks combined with tissue paper can filter air particles 75 to 90%. Surgical masks can be folded or not folded by adding 2 or 3 pieces of tissue paper on the outside of the surgical mask. To make it stronger, use paper glue. Glue each corner of the tissue paper. Then attach it to the mask. Or, after the tissue paper is firmly attached to the surgical mask, you can fold it if necessary. It is believed it will be more effective to prevent germ by folding it. Besides that, you will breathe more comfortably. You can do this. Now, wear a surgical mask with tissue paper. Then add a scuba mask on the outside. And this is what it looks like when I use a modified surgical mask with tissue paper and scuba mask. To make sure you are safe from the virus outbreak, follow this rule. Wearing mask, washing hands, maintaining distance, limiting mobilization and interaction. Thank you for watching this show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it.